been to the Bob's Cove jetty. Good morning peeps, how's it going? I am here, day 3 in Queenstown. Today is looking like it's going to be a spectacular day, and I am heading out on a bit of a road trip today to GLENORCHY. First couple of days I just explored Queenstown on day 1. Day 2, which was yesterday, was a bit of a cruddy day. I did do the canyon swing. Jet boating got cancelled and I ended out the night at the onsen hot pools. If you want to go and check out that video, I'll link up here. Anyway, I am grabbing myself some breakfast here from my Airbnb, and then I have heard that the roads are spectacular out to GLENORCHY, so let's go. Okay, so I have arrived in GLENORCHY. I have driven about an hour to Light Horse Adventures. I am taking myself for a little bit of a ride, taking myself back to my childhood. Yes, I did used to own a horse. But I'm here to take myself on a little bit of a ride down the rivers, I think. So let's go. Just finished the ride here. I was cruising around on the horse named Blaze. It was absolutely spectacular. Highly recommend it. So GLENORCHY, a 45-minute drive from Queenstown, but you'll take longer because you'll just want to stop. It's regarded as one of New Zealand's most scenic drives. Magnificent snow-capped mountains, world famous for some popular movies, Lord of the Rings just to name one. This place definitely worth a visit, and of course you have to make it to the red shed and the jetty. Okay, so I have just finished my horse ride with Light Horse Adventures, and you cannot come to GLENORCHY without snapping a shot at the famous red boat shed, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, so just up from the little wee boat shed, there is welcome to the GLENORCHY Lagoon Walk. It says the southern circuit is 30 minutes if you're a hare, 1 hour if you're a turtle. I'm going to see if I can be like a hare and check out as much as I can, because it's getting a little bit late in the day because my horse riding was a little bit later, but let's go. Too sure how far I've got, but we've moved away from the river, so I'm going to take myself to the end here. Okay, so it took me to here. There's no river, the views were more spectacular up here, so I'm actually going to take myself back. Okay, so don't go down that way because it's not very good. There's one little last look-see at the river. Stop there, turn back. Look, you get spectacular views at the boat shed anyway, so I recommend just staying there, taking your shots, and then maybe getting out of there. Anyway, so let's go. Okay, so I've headed my way back to Queenstown. I actually want to stop at Bob's Cove, but I'm running out of time, so I'm not too sure. Let's see how we go. Stop number 2. Okay, so another random stop. I've stopped at Bennett's Cove Lookout. This one has a little toilet block down there, so fingers crossed this one was worth the walk up. Okay, so I have made it to Bob's Cove track. Lime Kilns and Jetty direct 20 minutes of that away, or via the loop track that away 30 minutes. I'm going to try that one and see how we go. Okay, so it took me next to no time at all. I'm here, car park 5 minutes. I'm going to go Lime Kilns and Jetty this way. And there's the jetty over there, so it wasn't far to walk at all. Okay, what do we have here? From quarry to kiln. It took me all day, but I finally made it to Bob's Cove, and this is the Bob's Cove jetty. I'm sure it would be spectacular to jump in, but not today. Jetty. Is that blue water not inviting or what? Okay, so I've just been to the Bob's Cove jetty. Oh my god, that water is absolutely blue. Now I've been told it's only about a 10-minute walk to the top. So I'm definitely on a mission now. Picnic Point Loop, 20-minute return this way. That's a little bit of a steep climb up here, but it's probably going to be worth it. So I have made it to the top of Bob's Cove. I'm going to end out this vlog today. It's short and sweet. Horse riding this morning. I haven't done as much as I would have liked to. You know, you could spend a whole day along this GLENORCHY road. It is absolutely spectacular. But with horse riding finishing at just after 2 o'clock, obviously the sun is going down, so it's quite late. But I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, why don't you give me a like and a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll leave you with this spectacular view, peeps. Ooh.